And this is the old radio I found in my basement. Well, I found it because I put it there. We have some channels here. CAN is channel, nie działa is not working in Polish. RX and TX frequencies. Now I have channel 2 set, which is this frequency. Let's see if I key the transmitter. Yeah, seems to be working somehow. We can remove the squelch. We can send the tone, but I don't want to send the tone because I don't have antenna connected right now. I will measure it in a moment and I will show you what's inside. So this is a power meter with a dummy load connected. Maybe I will be able to hold it. I will press the button, but I have only two hands sadly, so I will have to focus. And the tone is from the transceiver, actually, another transceiver. So you can see 15 watts, not bad. The microphone seems to be working too. I'm transmitting now using this microphone. Well, the channel 1 and channel 3 does not transmit, other channels do transmit, and P is for przemiennik, which is a repeater in Polish, so those are channels for repeaters. Well, there is no CTCSS in this radio, so it can't be really used for repeaters nowadays, unless we add a CTCSS. But to communication, to direct communication, it will work, I think. Well, I verified everything. Channel first doesn't work at all, and channel 3 doesn't transmit, so there is only RX here. Everything else is as on this list. So the radio is in the working condition actually. I thought it's worse, but let's open it. Oh, there is some port here, I don't know what it is. Probably some voltage regulator here for some reason, and some board with some crystal. Oh, I recognize this cable. I added this cable. Those are the crystal resonators for the channels. Yeah, so one of them is probably bad. Amplifiers. Yeah, some notes. Looks like I made them 20 years ago or something, while trying to decode how it works. But yeah, I actually thought this radio was not working, but it seems it is working. I think we can open it further in a moment. And actually there is some note. This is not a note made by me. For DTMF, insert UM91215H. Circuit diagrams of modifications available at L. Wirowski, whoever he is, I don't know. It's not me. This is the other side of the radio, and we have some crystals here. So the crystal resonators for the transmitter were on the other side, and those are crystal resonators for the receiver. Some filters. I don't know, I would have to check the schematic. This is intriguing what it is. Someone added it for some reason. There is a relay. Wow, the botched-in relay for the transmit and receive, but it works. Yeah, the speaker, some isostats, regulators. Not much here, but well, if someone likes radios from that era, then it might be interesting. Let's take a look in the power supply also. And this is the power supply. Power goes in here. As you can see, the protective earth is cut. It goes to the fuse, then to the board. Yeah, with those tiny, very tiny wires. As you can see, the mains comes to this fuse. And then it goes via this wire together with those wires, while this is probably on the secondary side and this is on the primary side. They all go together. Yeah, it wouldn't be possible today. Most probably these plus and minus are for the battery that is not here, so you see there is no wire, and those four are for the radio. Yeah, we have some diodes here, but also an old thyristor. This is probably a thyristor. Yeah, this is a thyristor. And if you're curious, this is the other side of the power supply. Not much here, some resistors. These are those transformers you saw on the other side, and I think that's it. Well, actually this is probably some power transistor looking at the case. It's TO3 if I remember correctly. And for the sake of completeness, this is the microphone. Not much to see here. Some gasket that should have been changed. PTT switch, microphone, and that's it.